Right, we've had it. Okie dokie then. I thought I did indicate.
You did? Like, hard, slow it down.
No, I thought I did. I thought I was indicating. Probably.
Because I'm not gonna lie, if you turn on your indicator, oh hello car.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Really? I wouldn't. I'd unbalance them.
I might be able to do it again, I just need to get more speed. I lost too much speed though. No cars behind us, right? Yeah, what is that? Waiting for a straight.
We got stuff in the road.
Right, I want to do it on this road.
More like horse crap. Right, we have got a right turn here, which I think we might have to stop at. Oh, no, I think we just followed this round. Wait, is it here? According to it, it's here. Yeah, I'm soon too far out. We've got a sharp right coming up, so yeah, we've got a right turn further up ahead, but well, it's not left there, surely. Well, a quickly stop here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. With what? So bad with what? Oh, lovely. Extra protein.
Yeah. They hit directly in my uvula.
I fucking hate it when that happens.
Look there, the horse. Horse and something.
The horse and turkey?
Horse and cock.
I think it's the horse and turkey. Right, you gonna go check? Oh.
Horse jockey.
Well, all I saw was key and...
We can go. Are we ready?
Yeah, follow the new take me.
we're going left there.
Part of me was like, should we get a beer?
You were tired already tonight. That'll make you even more dozy.
Lad,
It's still 30,
come on,
Someone's reversing out.
let's get a drink.
It's still 30, by the way.
I would guess it is.
There isn't a reason why I wouldn't this whole way. Taking a ride. Nah, bro.
Jamming with my bike, though, weren't they?
Someone's energetic.
Yeah, that's what happened. I tell you, these tiny, minuscule little naps, Danny. It work wonders when you allow them to.
Right, the placebo effect.
Nah.
Right, I want to go down like that.
I was just falling asleep. Like, give me like 10-15 minutes and I'll start falling asleep again.
Yeah.
You know, that's the point of that.
Skid race and bridge.
So we can slow down first time?
Yeah, I am, because I don't know if I fucking...
Make sure you're very much on your side of the road.
I know.
Make sure you have your high beams.
Learning.
Make sure you have your high beams on behind people.
It's clear.
Learning.
You make sure you have your high beams on behind people.
Little birdies. I tell you, I have to dodge the little birdies and that car.
Right, maybe if you slow down, you won't have to look that.
Oh! Oh!
You just hit your nutsack. You just hit your nutsack.
Yeah, I did. Ouch! Literally, I stood up at the top of the bridge,
Why?
and then went to.
Wait, no. Why are you waiting?
I was basically standing up to look over.
The bridge was the place to stand up.
No, I stood up to basically see over the top of the hill, top of the bridge, and then as I sat back down, the bike decided to drop, and then as it sat.
No, the bike didn't decide to drop.
You drop.
You drop.
No, the bike.
That's just how physics works.
Yeah, but the point is though, the bike was basically, well, it was going down the hill, and I was trying to sit back down before I hit the bottom. But as the bike hit the bottom, so did I. I hit the bike. So yeah, I had a nut shot. Whee! That was okay. It was just missed timing of fucking sitting down. Oh, Barton in the. Yeah, I got hit in the beans. Well. Oh.
You should have took that slower so that you can hook your left lane. I'll tell you that one now before you get hit by a car. Which way, left or right? That's right.
Following it round.
At that point you saw us stay in position 1, right? Not
You would be on the left.
yeah, position 1 to the left.
Yeah.
That.
It's never like if you ever find you can't see traffic around corners or over bridges, then you want to be in position.
Yeah, you want to sit there and hug it.
Yeah.
What did you do? Just the fact that you went out and followed down?
I don't know, and I don't give a crap. I'm enjoying the ride.
Position 2, 3.
We're going straight. Oh, well, give way.
This man thinks he's gonna do great in it.
Ow. Oh, traffic light somewhere. Not yet. Four-way control. Where? There isn't no fucking lights. What? Okay. Nice houses round here.
Yeah, let's see if we can find a public way to get that.
We've only got 23 minutes till Tom's.
Well, it's 23 minutes, not long.
Oh, bouncy bounce. Oh, the grandest Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and got hit in the nuts on the way down. And when he sat down, he sat down. Oh, the mirror. Hello, mirror. Oh, look at that spire in the distance. Open road. Ooh. Crap in the road. Nailstone. We're in Nailstone. And there's a car on the wrong side of the road. No, there isn't. Ooh, just a little bit. Ooh, a little bit more. Ooh, ooh. Is that the main road ahead? Yep. Oh, we have to literally stop at this. So if we was in the car, you'd have to literally stop and officially put your handbrake on.
Really? The big red sign means you actually have to stop?
Yeah. Damn.
Red stop sign.
I know. It's
You have to stop.
it's like
Crazy.
there's one problem. You can't see around that fucking corner, and it's clear.
That's why you gotta take it easy.
Yeah, it's clear. What was to me?
It's not just check for one person, it's check for three.
Yeah, it's why I was double checking. Ooh,
That big black cat.
great! I've got bad luck. A black pussy just crossed the road. Damn. Oh, hello. And we're okay to go. Occupation Road. Bagworth Road.
Tommy, if you want to see what a carrot looks like, see, then go to the
Wait, hey brother, what you got cooking? How about cooking a little something for me? Hey sugar, what you got going? We should just make a foreign song. Do you know what? It's actually weird seeing you in my side mirror, Dan. A new Audi's being built there. An Audi warehouse, by the looks of it. Oh, look at all the new trees. I'm guessing Mr. Beast has been round here, planting trees. That doesn't help. Oh, something dead in the middle of the road on that side. Oh, it's a baby badger. Or it could be napping.
You think about it, because I'm like, yeah, you're not wrong. It's not their own.
Pothole on the right. Pothole on the left. Well, we're going to be going left. Quarter.
Oh, I know where we are. We're going to be turning a right after this.
Yeah?
Left here, and then after this is a right.
Oh my god, I think you're right. We're going to do a cold bill.
Hell yes!
Yeah, we're going right.
I've got the read.
Well,
Restraining orders. Let's go.
every fucking TikToker. I've got the rid.
What the fuck? Oh, it's a magpie. Sister. Wait, I know where we are, I think. Is this fucking DPD on the side here?
Yeah. I know where we are.
Yeah, I know where we are as well now. Oh no, we want this one. We're going straight over.
Yeah. Generally don't listen to me. Why?
What you talking about, man?
Oh, the grandest Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were either up or down.
That's right.
99, no, it's 999 springs flushed down, 199 springs, we flushed one down, we flushed one down, we flushed one down, and yeah, this one we're going straight.
Yeah, this roundabout here is right. Right?
We go straight over then, right? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we go right.
I know it's really nice having
Oh, we could be in the middle one. Go in the middle. Go in the middle one. Because then we could take it wide. Then.
You gotta stop doing that, don't you?
I didn't.
I know exactly where we are.
Just like, it's a lot better to just think that lane you're in rather than having to change the
Yeah, but I'd rather sit there and be in the lane where we're on the inside, not the outside. Yeah, we're going left. I mean, we could leave Tom here if you want.
He's got my back.
Oh yeah, no more than.
If you want to just like quickly toss it at me.
I can leave you the car if you want to go back.
No, it's fine.
Tinky Winky, Mama. I think it's got the tip there. I think I've got pictures of the wine cup now.
What happens when you got two people who are tired on bikes? Oh, something broke. Yeah, broke. Break. Red lights. Oh.
Run up and away.
I tell you, if I was able to full throttle down it, I reckon I would go past fucking 60. What? potholes on the
There we
right.
go, up there is traffic up there.
Traffic lights.
Yeah, the traffic lights just passed this time.
Yeah.
It's moving out earlier, so. Yes, boy. How about it? Have you seen the new character for Nico?
No.
She's a bunny girl.
What's the name?
She's a passenger. I don't know what's happening. I think it's new SSG or something. What I'm gonna do. That's what I'm thinking. So they're gonna try to generate one here then. And they're gonna do it at the end of June, I think. Or mid-June.
Jesus Christ. Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm definitely going to hit if I get a faster bike. The thing I want to just go fast here.
Alright, thanks for watching, people. Well, I'm going to end it here. Catch you in a bit.